So Vikram, this topic is 5 space mysteries.
VY Canis Majoris. It's a red hypergiant class of star which is about to blow up in a few thousand years. A red hypergiant class of star means that it has reached very close to dying, and it's reached very close to dying, which is why it's just going to blow up in a few thousand years. It's actually quite less when you think about it. Now, why am I talking about this, Canis Majoris? Well, it is because of two reasons. One is because of its awesome size. It's so big that the sun is like that small compared to that. How small the sun is. Fish. And then second reason is because I absolutely love astronomy, and this fact was too cool to avoid. And this is also why I'm telling this speech actually. But Canis Majoris is just one of my 5 top space mysteries which even science cannot explain. For example, have you heard about the giant roar coming from the edges of the universe? Or have you heard about a mysterious space probe appearing to be following the Earth? Or do you know about a huge hole, just 250 million light years, in a place where nothing exists? Let's find out. Number 4, the supercharged space rays. So deep in the North Pole, there lies something called the Ice Cube Neutrinos Observatory. And no, it is not named after the rapper Ice Cube. It is used to get signals from from neutrinos or neutron stars. A neutron star is basically about that big, not too big. It's like this is, if you compare it to US, it's about as big as US. But it is so dense, which means heavy. It is so heavy that it's heavier than 50,000 Earths combined. So basically, if you take a huge cotton ball this big, and if you take a rock this big, which one is heavier? The rock, right? Yeah. That's how the neutron stars are. The atoms are so close, they're basically touching each other, which is why it's so dense. But one day, shortly after its construction, it got a signal so strong that it's 6 times stronger than what they were expecting to hear. Usually, the cosmic rays are quite strong, which are emitted by these neutrinos, but they lose their intensity when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. But who knows what is being radiating these rays? Number 3, the Boötes void. So, when you're looking in the sky and you see all the stars, you're like, wow, looks nice. And finally you see this hole, this giant hole. It's like a party pooper. So it's like this black hole. Well, it's not a black hole. It's 250 million light years big, which is extremely huge. Based on its size, it's supposed to carry about 10,000 galaxies, but it only has 2 or 3. Why this is, you ask? Most people have decided to take the craziest theory of a super advanced alien civilization. The people believe that they might have used a technology called the dicing sphere, which is used to cloak entire galaxies. So could that be the reason? Well, I actually not really believe this, but that's what most people believe. Number 2. The space road. In 2006, NASA had launched an air balloon like this into the Earth's atmosphere, and no, they weren't having a birthday party, though the scientists did get presents. The scientists who were conducting this research, however, they got such a big. By the way, this balloon is used to capture any radio waves emitted by any space body. But they found something so strong that even a supermassive black hole could not emit that kind of signal. Till now, NASA is not able to answer what this is, but The number 1, the unidentified space probe. In 1991, James Scott, who works in NASA, he was happily studying asteroids until he stumbled across a very weird looking object which is about only 10 meters in diameter. It emits strange radiations of light, and it revolves in a very peculiar fashion. So he decided to track it, because if he did, the point when it came closest to the Earth, it would have got burned up in the Earth's atmosphere, and he could have studied from the debris. But according to his research, it had already passed Earth and it's still continuing its revolving. It is highly unnatural. Because according to him, it had passed the Earth already in 1981. So who knows what could that be? Maybe a spaceship? Who knows? So I would like to leave you at that note, and I hope you like my speech. Hopefully NASA can answer these questions to answer these questions. Number 5, number 4 is the space, the supercharged space race, the space rover, the unidentified spacecraft, just said, and the BOT's void. Hopefully they can answer these questions. Thank you.